press the power button to turn the remote off. Then unplug the heater for approximately 10 seconds and plug it back in. The remote control should stay blank. Press the down arrow until you see 99, then press the up button several times until you get to 22. The priority light should be off. If it is flashing, hold the settings button to turn it off. Go up to 23 and make sure the priority light is off. Now go up to 24 and make sure the priority light is off. Finally, go up to 3B like Bravo and make sure the priority light is off. Save these settings by holding the up and down arrows together until the display goes blank and starts beeping. After approximately 10 seconds, you can turn the remote on. The NRCR is now set to default auto learning mode.